Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today is an exciting day, tinged with a little bit of sadness perhaps, because I will be opening my last WitchCasket box. As I said, I was ending the subscription with them in December, so this is the December 2025 box, and yeah, I will be looking for something new for the new year to share with you all on a monthly basis. So let's get inside this one and see what the December box has in store, and hopefully we won't be disturbing my very sleepy cat too much as we go. Okay, so we can see right from the off that this is a Money Magic themed casket. If anybody here doesn't know what a witch casket is, I will pop a link to the playlist with all of them so you can go back and see all of the lovely things that I've received over the last few years. This book will tell us everything that's in this casket, but I'm going to put it to one side and just delve in. We start with an art card. This one I love. It's got a magpie on it, and I am a big fan of magpies. Those of you that have been following my tattoo journey will know that I have 2 tattoos of magpies. And we also got a hare down here. We've got the pentagram. This is really lovely. I like this a lot. Cauldron, books, excellent. Of course, on the back of the postcards, you can use them for manifestation prompts. So what are your goals? What practical ways are you going to try to reach your goals? And what magical ways are you going to use to reach your goals? So yeah, but I just really like them as pieces of art. I have got all of them kept from previous caskets and I love them all. Right. On top here we have a multi-use money magic ritual kit, a magical ritual to attract a specific sum of money. Oh, that's interesting. So it's not a general search for wealth, it is a specific sum. So let's just get all of the bits and pieces next to everything. Yep. Okay, so I'm loving the kind of hand-drawn quality of everything this month. So magic to draw what I need, magic come at lightning speed, hard work and magic hand in hand, bring to me what I command. Multi-use money magic ritual kit. Oh, that's good. It's multi-use. Here is a magic spell for when you need a specific sum of money to pay a bill or cover a shortfall. You will need a green candle, which they have provided. You will need some chamomile, which is in here, and now all over my desk because it's leaking, and a blank check. They've given us these lovely little sort of Monopoly money pieces, and we've got a few of these. Excellent. And of course on green paper, because green is a colour associated with wealth and money. Excellent. Nice and simple but very effective. I've already spied a little pin badge, so we'll go in for that next. Pin badges have been more or less a monthly regular. This one is lovely. It's got a spell bottle there with a crystal, a scroll, got a pentacle there and some herbs. Very nice. A fortune bottle pin. I like that a lot. I like pin badges generally, but these ones have always been really good quality. Ooh. What have we got here? Lovely little pouch with some crystals on it. And this is, ooh, a little bottle. This is WitchCasket Essential Citrine. So we've got little tiny tumbled crystals of citrine there. Stone of Abundance, manifestation, personal growth and success, used in spells for good fortune, abundance, relationships and happiness. Lovely. I do like that it's in a little bottle as well. Nice and easy to store. And the pouches are gorgeous. Let's go for the other pouch then. Is this one going to have a pentacle in it? Ooh, that's very lovely. What I desire is drawn to me. Oh, it's got a bee on it and some ivy. Very nice. Okay, so this is an attraction amulet. A magical charm to attract the desires of its bearer. Take this amulet in your hand and imbue it with your intention. Imagine your desires, then carry it with you to attract your wishes. Cool. Excellent. I like that. It's very heavy. That is a chunky piece of pewter, maybe? I don't know. It's very weighty. And again, in a lovely little bag. Right. We'll go for this one because it says what it is on the outside. So we've got more bee imagery, which is lovely. And it says, WitchCasket exclusive money bowl. Ooh. Oh, okay. This is nice. And I love that it's continuing that bee theme. So we've got this lovely, I think it is glass. It's a black glass dish. It's got WitchCasket written on the bottom. And then we've got pentacles around the side, the same imagery as we've seen on the coin. Very nice. It says, money bowls are a powerful way to set your intention and attract money and abundance. Many people choose to have a candle in the center of their money bowl so they can light it and meditate, visualizing a successful outcome. But like everything in a money bowl, this is optional. Then you can add magical herbs, crystals, amulets, affirmations, coins, banknotes, etc. and anything else that resonates with you can also be added. Before adding anything, the item should be charged with your intent. Once the bowl is finished and you have sat with it, meditated and visualized your outcome, you can continue to feed your bowl over the coming days, adding in more items imbued with your intention to make the spell more powerful. Again, this is optional. You can keep the bowl until you feel the bowl has served its purpose. Can also double as an altar dish or offering bowl. Very lovely. But yeah, I love the shape of that one. Very nice. Right. Soy wax pentacle tea light candles. Oh, and they're green. Perfect colour for fortune. Very nice. It is interesting that they are, I know that these kits are always vegan, which is why they've gone for soy wax, but it's interesting that they're still using the bee imagery. I would have expected them to maybe be beeswax, but obviously that's not vegan. Here we have got another herb blend, money attraction herb blend, mint, chamomile and cinnamon bark. So this can go into charm bags, spell jars, into your money bowl. Very nice. Is it just loose in there? Oh no, it's not loose. It is packed into a little. Packed in there. Oh, it smells lovely. Okie dokes. We've got a scroll. Oh, very tightly wound scroll. There we go. What's this one? Fast money magic. So these are quick tips. Place a coin on your windowsill with citrine on top. Place with intent to attract money to your home. Write the amount of money you need on a bay leaf. Wrap the bay leaf around a green candle and tie with cotton thread. Place the candle on a fireproof tray and burn the candle. Drop a coin into a bowl of water. Sprinkle with cinnamon and mint and say, just like water, money shall flow, like nature's plants, my finances grow. Blowing cinnamon through your door. I don't know about the blowing cinnamon, but I know cinnamon has always been used as a wealth cool. Use a coin as a thumbstone. Rub the thumb clockwise around the coin with intent to attract money your way. Lovely. Very nice. Is this, I was going to say, is this a final item? No, I found something else. We've got some incense. Fast money incense. Light the incense and affirm, in this smoke my wish set free. Money it shall come to me. And it's patchouli and jasmine. Interesting. So these are going to be incense sticks, I assume. All of their incense is made with natural ingredients. There's no sort of perfume alternatives. Oh yes, that's lovely. Very nice indeed. I'm a big fan of patchouli. If you're not a patchouli person, then you might find that a bit strong, but I like it a lot. And jasmine is also a very pungent scent, but I do like it. Okay, and finally, something perfect for the Crafty Witch. An abundance embroidery kit. Imbue each stitch with magic as you craft this enchanting needlework adorned with symbols of abundance and wealth. Sew with intent to create a magical charm to draw abundance to your home. Wow. Let's get into here. Okay. Oh dear. Okay. It's all fallen out. Okay, so we've got this is our design. This is what it's going to look like when it's finished. And then we've got our hoop, and we've got threads. Threads. Lovely. So yeah, we're going to have lovely chamomile and bay leaves. Really pretty. I like that a lot, and it's really lovely. It's got full colour instructions there. Really, really nice. Everything that you would need. Lovely. I'm very, very happy with that. And that is definitely something that I will show you on the channel once it's finished. Yeah, really, really lovely. So, I don't think there's much that I need to check in the book for, but we will have a quick little flick through. Okay, so right, December Witch Casket. This month's casket is filled with magical treasures to summon prosperity, fortune and abundance. Please read through the pamphlet so you can familiarise yourself with this month's items. We can't wait for you to see what we came up with for 2026. We don't think we will ever stop being excited about curating these enchanting caskets for you. We are so blessed to be able to share our craft with you all. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this handwritten style. So do let me know, as always, which of these items was your favourite. I know that for me this is my last casket, but I don't think it's the end of my journey with WitchCasket as such. I suspect I will probably go back to them at some point in the future because I do really enjoy their products. I was just feeling the need to try something a bit different. So if you yourself would like to get yourself a WitchCasket, details are down below. And it's not just the casket that you're getting, you also get digital downloads and access to their online shop, which holds items from previous caskets. So for instance, if you sign up now to get January's casket, you may then also be able to buy some of these items from the store from this casket. So yeah, let me know what your favourite was. I think I really like the dish because it's very different to things that I already have. So it's not just repeating something that I've already got, and I can definitely see that it will be useful. So yeah, thank you very much for joining me on this journey, and if you've been here for every single casket opening, thank you so much for your continued support. As always, thanks to everybody that supports the channel, whether you are just here as a subscriber or whether you are able to support me as a channel member. Those of you who are channel members, thank you so much. You guys mean the absolute world, and I hope that you know that. If you want to join them, details are down below. It is from just 99p per month, and I will send you some stickers no matter where in the world you are. So that's all from me for today. I will speak to you soon. Have a wonderful Yule. And until next time, stay crafty.